Alright guys, this is game two of bingo. So you should have moved on to the sheet that is directly below the one that you were working on. I say sheet, it's actually on the same page. What I mean is the bingo actual card, the game itself. Okay, so here we go. Alright, let's see if we have a new winner for game two. Again, shout out to Ryan. Ryan was our winner from last week, and let's take it away. So we have 34, which is 34. 34. Coming up next, what do we have? Well, we have 74. 70, 70. 4. 74 is 74. 74. 74. Coming up next, 62. 62, which is 62. 62. 62. And now we have 38. 38, which is 38. 38, which is 38. 38. Now coming up next, we have 37. 37 is 37. 37 is 37. And now we have 46. 46, which is 46. 46. 46. 46. Alright, let's see what we have now. Alright, now we have 30. 30. 30 is 30. 30. 30. Alright, now 26. 26. 26. 26 is 26. Our next number is 14. 14, which is 14. 14. 14. Alright, 53. 53. 53. 53 is 53. 53. 53. And coming up next, we have 70. 70, which is 70. 70. 70. Alright, and the next number is 16, the age that you can get your driver's license at. 16, which is 16. Alright guys, so remember throughout the school day, make sure you take breaks, take time to enjoy yourself. You know, the weather has been really nice lately. Maybe go for a walk around the neighborhood or just do something nice to enjoy yourself. Don't work all day. Make sure you take breaks. I think some of you are working all day and it's too much. It's not good for you. You should take breaks. Alright, coming up next we have 23. 23, which is 23. 23. 23. Yesterday around noon, I took Jasper for a walk, and it was nice. I usually don't leave the house very much during this remote learning, during the school days since we've been remote learning. But it was really nice to just go for a short walk yesterday and just take a break from all the work. So I recommend that you guys do that too. All right, coming up next, we have 41. 41, which is 41. 41. And now we have 42. 42, which is 42. 42. 42. Let's see what we have next. Well, next we have 11. 11, which is number 11. 11. next number is 52. 52, which is 52. 52, 52. And coming up next, we have 73. Notice how I said 70. No, so you know 70 is 70, and you know tres is 3. 73 is 73. 73, 73. Alright, 73. And now we have 61. 61, 61. 61. Another fun thing you can do while you're learning Spanish is if you like a song that's like on the radio, like one of the more popular songs, you can see if someone recorded a Spanish version of that song. Sometimes it's fun to hear a song that you like in Spanish. So that's sort of a fun way to learn Spanish and practice Spanish. All right, coming up next we have 67. 67, which is 67. 67, 67. Anyone one away yet out there? One away? Anyone? Coming up next, 71. Oops, sorry. 71. 71, which is 71. 71. 71. And then coming up next, we have 44. 44, which is 44. 44. Alright, coming up next, we have 75. 75. 75. 75. 75. And now we have 50. 50. What is 50? 50 is 50. 50. 50. 50. All right, let's see what we have next. All right, the very next number that we have is 36. 36, which is 36. 36, 36. And if you haven't already, make sure you mark 45 and 55 as free spaces on your board. Those are the numbers that we're missing, 45 and 55. All right, let's see what we have now. 5, número 5. 5, 5 is 5. All right, next we have 40. 40 is 40. 40 is 40. And now we have 64. 64. What number is that? 64. That is number 64. 64. Right? The next number is 33. 33, which is 33. 33. 33. Ahora, 39. 39 is 39. 39. 39. 39. Alright. Remember, if you have a bingo, make sure you message me on Google Hangouts. I will be on Google Hangouts, but I won't respond because I'll be in IAP. Yes, make sure you do that because that's the only way of seeing if you win bingo. All right, coming up next is 18. 18 is 18. 18. Let's see what we have here. All right, we have 56. 56. 50 is 50. 6 is 6. 56 is 56. 56. 56. And now we have 28, 28, which is 28. 28. And next we have 31, 31, which is 31. 31. 31. Coming up next, all right, we have numero dos. Dos. Number 2. Dos. And the next number that we have here is 17. 17. 17, which is 17. 17. 17. 17. Alright, what do we have now? It looks like we have 54. Yes, we do. 54. 54. 54, which is 54. And now we have 65. 65. 65. 65, which is 65. Next we have 35. 35. 35. 35 is 35. Coming up next, we have 66. 66, which is 66. 66 is 66. And now we have 47. 47. 47. 47. Alright, now we have 6. Número 6 is number 6. Número 6. Number 6. Now we have uno. Número 1 is 1. Número 1 is 1. Alright. And now we have 21. So first we had, the last number we had was uno, which is 1. And now we have 21, and that is 21. 21, 21. Alright, we're approaching the 14-minute mark. So the very next number that I call will be the last number. And the last number is 9. Número 9. 9. Number 9. Alright guys, I hope you had fun today. Make sure you're all caught up with your missing work. Always contact me or Miss Kathy or Mr. Ezekiel if you have any questions. We can help you catch up on missing work. You just got to let us know, okay? And be on Google Hangouts so that we can talk and so that we can catch up on all this work. Okay? All right, I hope you guys have a great weekend. Adios.